Good morning, everybody. This is Patrick MontesDeOca once again with the Equity Management Academy live trading room. What I would like to do on this segment is to review with you the latest report that we just published in Trader Planet. Retail is contracting. GDP is manipulated, and the United States no longer has any manufacturing. Central bankers are doing everything they can to convince the world that this economy is doing well and that there is no problem. However, every European economy is trending downward. The UK is headed for a recession. The British GDP contracted by 0.4% in the third quarter. The manufacturing PMI tumbled from 52.1 to 49.1. And the service PMI fell from 52.3 to 47.4%. Its lowest point in 88 months. The central bankers and politicians say it's all from the Brexit. But Britain's economic indicators have been in a downward trend for much longer than just since Brexit. The US is seeing the same exact thing. The US central bank is manipulating the stock market as well as gold as they try to convince everyone that everything is fine. But layoffs continue. The energy giant Schlumberger is firing another 8,000 people. As time goes on, everything continually gets worse. Millennials may be the first generation that will have lower lifetime earnings than any other generation. Millennials are stuck with so much student debt and no good jobs. It's going to be a nightmare. Millennials have more student debt than any generation before them. According to the PEW Foundation, millennials have 41% of their debt in education, Generation X 26%, baby boomers 13%, and the silent generation just 3%. With no good jobs and a weak economy, millennials face a difficult time paying back their student loans, let alone buying a home, buying a house. Every single time throughout history when a fiat system was adopted in the beginning, everyone feels incredibly well. In the 1970s, when the US went into a fiat currency system, wages doubled and houses inflated. Then in the 1980s, with interest rates held down, there was a little period of growth. However, we are at the end game. Wages are flat or are declining. Inflation is rising. The central bankers are holding and are not letting the currency they are creating enter the system, which would devalue the currency. That they have that part manipulated and controlled. But with time, wages will decline and inflation will take effect, as we've seen in Venezuela, Greece, and other countries. When will the economic system collapse? The economy most likely will come down this fall, and if not then, it will be in the first quarter of 2017. People around the world are starting to wake up that things don't make sense. Therefore, European investors are taking their cash out of Europe and shoving it into the emerging markets. They realize that they need to place their funds someplace else. August has often been a bad economic month. For the past 6 Augusts have been big down months. When this economy comes down and crashes, it's going to happen in a split second. The 1929, 1987, 2001, 2008 crashes all happened suddenly. we're on the same course, except things are much worse today because the majority of country has never recovered from 2008. When another collapse hits, it will be that much worse. Get prepared for what is coming. You will not be able to get food. You will not be able to get water. You will not be able to get gold or silver. You will not be able to go get cash. It's going to be horrific. For more information on what we do specifically here at the Equity Management Academy and how we are benefiting, how we are taking this current situation and using it for our benefit. Our subscribers here at the Equity Management Academy are in the know with regards to the short-term, intermediate, and long-term trends in the market. And we've been able to accomplish some fantastic, fantastic results since we started trading in 2012. Please take the time and go to our website. You can check out what we do. We offer quite a bit of free information regarding the present condition of the precious metals markets, in particular gold and silver. And we update all the signals that we follow, that we trade, that we recommend here in the room. And please feel free to review them at your leisure and see exactly how we are benefiting from this tremendous intelligence. You can view the performance summary of all of the signals that we produce here at the Equity Management Academy in the EMA to Trade Live Signals.com website, where once all the signals are documented and processed, we publish them here, and these are the results since we started following our own proprietary algorithms in the precious metals market since 2012. This is a $50,000 account, and these are the results. You can view the results a little more in detail. We, for day trading, make 3 times more money than we lose 60% of the time. For swing trading, we produce 3 times more profits than we lose 94% of the time. If you want to see more clearly how transparent we are, please refer to the trades which are documented monthly, daily, with time and price sales, which essentially you can match the trades from the signals that are produced the day before. Once again, this is Patrick MontesDeOca. Until next time, my friends, be well. Thank you.